Hi, and welcome back to a brief introduction to the new copy image feature within the Promptalot extension. So up until recently, whenever you wanted to upscale an image and then retrieve that particular image, you had two options of actually getting that file. So you would either click on the Open in New Tab button down here, which expands the image just like you regularly would by copying the image link and then opening it in a new tab. Or what you could do is you would download it via the Download Image button, and that would simply download it to your Downloads folder. Now, for some people, that's not convenient enough because they don't want to switch between the browser and the Downloads folder all the time. So that's why I've introduced a new button now, which is called Copy Full-Size Image. And what this does is you simply click the button, and what it does is it sends a request to the server. It will retrieve the full-size image and then copy it back into your clipboard. So whatever I just clicked here is now in my clipboard, and I can now open up an image editor such as Affinity Designer and simply open it up as a new image. Or what I could also do now is let's say I wanted to upscale this third one, and we'll wait for that to upscale. And then here, once again, I simply click on this copy image button. I go back to Affinity Designer and I can paste this straight into the editor and work with these images in a much quicker way than I could have in the past whenever I had to download them or open them in a new tab, right click, copy image. It's just a bit more tedious. And this feature is fairly quick, so it does save you time. And just to prove a point that this actually does copy the full image, you can even do this on image grids if you want to, even though I don't really see much of a point. But if you wanted to, you could. And as you can see, it copies those as well in the full size. And that's why this one's so big. Anyway, so I hope you find this feature useful, and I'll see you in the next video.